Let me just say that.
There the fucking flow is. Obviously, this is a back and leg thing.
People make time for what they want.
Usually cute when I run. I need to get my runner one look together. But yeah, happy November.
You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna trip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast.
Yeah, it's November. Time is passing ridiculously. I mean, ridiculously. And I feel like this year specifically, I've been experiencing things that I have never experienced before, like health-wise. Like over the summer, I had got some kind of skin thing that was like natural, had to run its course. So I had that, which I freaked out about. Like I just had like little light patches on my skin. Yesterday, I was planning like to take y'all to the gym. I was gonna do a whole workout, all of this stuff, go to the grocery store. And when I got up and got in the shower, I noticed like I saw like, you know how like when you rub your eyes, like you see like those little spots, like you may see stars and then they go away. Well, I saw that when I was in the shower because I got right up and got in the shower. And so I was like, okay, well, I'm tripping. I was like, maybe it's just something in my eye. So I get out the shower, take my little finger, rub it all around in my eye, and I still see like this little dot thing. So I put my contacts in, and the contacts make it kind of, you know how like when you with an eye exam, like they say,
let me know when it's clearer and sharper.
So when I put my contacts in, it got clear, sharp, and 3D, and I could see like it was like a swirl of bubbles. It was like a swirl of something. I drive around to 2 eye doctors before I finally go to my regular eye doctor, and they like, well, you have a floater in your eye. That was like, it's natural. It's nothing that I did, but like the jelly part of the eye or something. Sometimes it releases stuff, and I have to wait until my brain just incorporates that into my vision to say it's nothing, just ignore it. Which I'm thinking, yeah, I can't go in there and get it out. So that was like basically it's good news and bad news. Good news is it's nothing. The symptom will go away on its own. Bad news is it's nothing really we can do about it. You just gotta let it run its course. That makes me think of this, which is it is open season. Like if you are working or employed, November and December is usually open season at your job for healthcare insurance. So I get my healthcare through Blue Cross Blue Shield. Last year, Blue Cross Blue Shield had it like if you went onto like their website, like downloaded their app or went onto their website and you did like a tobacco screening and like a mini health questionnaire, they sent you a $150 gift card like for you to use on like medical stuff. If you like go to like Walgreens or whatever store you go to, like when you ring up your items, you look at your receipt, they'll usually have FSA. I can't tell you what that stands for right now. But usually similar to like you have an FSA or HSA account, and I know HSA is a health savings account. Both of them are plans through your health insurance that lets you put aside dollars so you can buy like medical stuff and co-pays. It comes out pre-tax on your check so that your income look lower during tax season. I am not an expert, but it is open season, open enrollment at y'all job if y'all are like have your insurance through your job. So reach out, I believe, to like an HR specialist or whoever does like your healthcare there and just look into that. Log on to whoever you get your insurance through and see if they are offering like any kind of like incentives for you to fill out questionnaires for your health thing, and they can send you some. I got $150 last year. I don't have an FSA or HSA account. Let me just say that. I'm telling y'all some stuff, but I don't have it. They sent me a card that works exactly like that as an incentive. So y'all could have an incentive, something like an incentive on y'all health insurance if you check it out. Or you could want to do like an FSA or HSA through your health insurance to get like some of those same benefits of having pre-tax dollars go into account for you to pay for co-pays, eye care stuff, pads, like menstruating stuff. So I paid $10 copay with that. I think earlier this year I went to the dentist. I paid a $30 copay with that card because I had $150. When I went to the store earlier, like last week sometime, I bought like all of my pads and stuff, which was like $24. So that was like really, really good. And of course, $24 I didn't have to spend.
I woke up early this morning, feeling all in my zone, and I'm about to kill it. I don't know, I just feel it. It's the first day of summer. Got a feeling, I swear. Feeling, I swear. I'ma be the king before school come back. It's a fact on God, no more sitting in the back. Hit my homie from the other side, met him halfway. Now the start will be half more than half baked.
Never be the same again.
In the rap race, where the whiz Chuck Taylor with the flat lace. I ain't even talking about Khalifa. Knew a nigga 6'10", kept 10 different reefer strains. No bullshit, gotta know what to move.
Jam. It's a jam. Okay.
Let's get myself together. Vanilla bean spray from Bath and Body Works. So today was the first day I drove out by myself with this little thing. And I don't even notice it like when I'm driving. If I'm distracted, I don't see that floaty in my eye. But then I find myself like, where the fuck is that floaty at? Like, is it still there? Where is it? So now I have to tell myself,
you don't see it, don't look for it.
Like now that I'm sitting and I'm still, I'm like, okay, where the floaty? And there the fucking floaty is. I see, y'all can't see it, but I can see the floaty floating around. I'm gonna tell you, because yesterday, I thought I was seeing ants and nets and shit. Like, even though I knew I had the floaty, like every once in a while, like I'll be doing something and looking like in my hand or looking at my screen and we're like, oh, an ant or oh, a net. And it's like, no, it's just the floaty that's in your eye. Sound like you hallucinating. You're not hallucinating, but if you tell anybody else you see an ant, a net, or a floaty in your eye, they gonna think you hallucinating. Let's do the things. Let's do the things. I'm hyped up. I'm hyped up.
I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom. I think I pulled up too soon. I just sent a message saying get me from the front. He came out to see me, he was confused. That's when I realized that he wasn't shit. You would tell me love it.
So I just finished the warm-up set, which was 12 at 115. So I added 20 pounds. So now I'm gonna do 12 at 35, 135. Because the gym is just basically doing the same exercise over and over again and trying to add heavier weight. Anyway, so I'm gonna do an elevated squat. And the reason I'm doing that is it targets like the front of my quads, but I also feel it like in the top of my glutes. Oh, and I didn't show y'all, but I did 30 minutes on elliptical when I first got here, because I'm still doing 30 minutes of cardio before lifting or before doing like a hit style workout.
Tatiana, only woman with 100 on me. How you play me for a fake hoe? New Chanel with the gator bonnet. Run it, yeah. You tried it, got me messed up. You tried it.
I'm gonna do my last 2 sets. I'm gonna put another 10 on, get another 10 on. So I finished my last set at 155, but I'm not gonna record that, I'm gonna focus in. But yeah, 4 sets of elevated squats.
Run it, yeah. You tried it, almost bought a rollie with a diamond. Almost got you the new G-Wagon, got me messed up. You tried it, run it, yeah. You tried it, run it, yeah. You tried. I'm so mad.
I keep forgetting. This will never be the same.
Beat come in so hard and so nasty.
I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the box. She goes to get a knot. Ayy, off white on my.
Y'all wouldn't believe I did all them damn squats and I ain't had my damn watch turned on. Calories not captured. Obviously this is a back and leg thing. I'm gonna superset this back row with split squats. And I almost killed myself earlier this week with these 25-pound dumbbells doing split squats, but I feel like I can't go down now since I just went up. I anticipate not being able to breathe through this next 4 sets of cable back rows and split squats with dumbbells.
Play J Rolly watch. Supreme on my locks. 350s when I walk. I stick to the plot. No time for the thoughts. No time for the box. She goes to get a knot. Ayy, off white on my top. Play J Rolly watch. Supreme on my locks, 350s when I walk. Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. I woke up with a plot, I just woke up to some top. Say my name and don't you stop. Dummies loaded with them knots. For some change you better pop. Issue with the gang or not. Got no time to bang you out, I got no time to play around. You a big fine woman when you back there. Except these tricking on you better.
We're gonna do dumbbell snatches to squats with a plate raise, which is like biceps here, shoulder, because I'm gonna lift it up. Let's finish this off because I've been in here over an hour, a ridiculous amount of time. So I'm always complaining about how long I'm in here. You guys, I love it. I love it here.
When I say so, she say low, you're such an a-hole. I say yeah, I know, don't play though. Bend it over, touch your ankles, and go crazy for that bankroll. I stick to the block, no time for the thoughts, no time for the box. She gon' get a knot, ayy, off-white on my top. Play J Rolly watch, Supreme on my locks, 350s when I walk. I stick to the block.
It's the S, the L, the I to the M. Let me tell you what I wanna do.
No time for the thoughts, no time for the box. She gon' get a knot, ayy, off-white on my top. Play J Rolly watch, Supreme on my locks, 350s one.
Age 34 ain't good to me. Now my dang old knuckles hurt. It's tender and it's sore. What is that?
Shake a little hip before you dance. Get a little lit for them bands. Show you dick, don't you ass, just do it.
I got this stand together, and so my idea is, even though it is a stand plan, is to like just decorate it, because like I sit like in the floor so often to like record and like talk to the camera that I would love like a little something here instead of it being just a blank wall. And this is also like where I do my try-ons at, like if I want to say, look what I bought, or watch me try this on, or what do you guys think, or I recommend this. Like this is the area that I do that in, so I want to kind of decorate it, but I want to get rid of this like okay, what do y'all think about this? Like, this seems like a lot. Like, maybe I need some more books here. Because it's a plant stand, but like I said, I'm using it as a book stand. Maybe I should go downstairs and get some more of my books. Like, maybe some books here. But if I put my books on here, then I won't put the candle here. And there may be something back here. I was thinking like maybe another stand here. to hold my weights. I don't know. But so far, I think this is like a good, like, let's sit down, let's chat. And I'm going to go to Ikea, get like a little floor lamp to go like right here. And I think that looks good. Let's push that to the side. Let's see. My feet probably look crusty. Don't look at them. My camera down. I think tomorrow I'll show y'all my favorite at-home treadmill workout that I've been doing recently. So I will see you guys later, and let me know what you think about this stand and if it looked too cluttered. But the books are staying, so any suggestions, the books are staying. All right, I'll see you guys later.
We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your best thing?
And I just want to go and see if we can run for. Yeah, I can't even breathe. I was on that treadmill like for a few minutes trying to show y'all. So I do the treadmill on 4 incline, and I'm usually walking between a 2.5. Okay, I'm usually walking between a 2.5 and a 3 on the treadmill. I warm up for 5 minutes, and then every 2 minutes I'll switch out between holding like those 8-pound weights down and doing this, and then 2 minutes of punching. And if I get too tired punching, then I just hold the weights like this. And then if I'm really tired after like a few rounds, I'll do a minute holding nothing, like a minute just walking, and then I'll pick back up. And what I really like about this is that it makes my treadmill time go by quick, because like I'm doing 2 a minute rest, 2 a minute rest, or 2 and then a minute rest. And by the time I look up, I've already done 30. Usually I'll do 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, let me stop lying. It depends on how I feel. If I don't really feel like working out, then I do 30 minutes. But if I like get into the groove of it, then I usually like to do at least 45 minutes. And then on a day where I'm like, this is the only thing I'm doing today, then I usually do like an hour. And that just kind of get my cardio, and it gets me sweating like a whole lot. But the month of November is cardio, running, gym. That's gonna be it for this video. I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys, as always, per usual, por supuesto, of course. Hopefully you guys are making some November like little mini goals and thinking about what y'all want to do for next year. I know last year I was saying for 2023 I wasn't gonna make no goals, and I ended up making some halfway through. But I've been enjoying like doing like these monthly resets of things that I really want to do, and trying to reach that on a monthly basis. I'm locked in, I'm focused. I feel like I'm seeing change, even though like for a month I saw absolutely nothing. Today is gonna be the day that I eat off plan, and in my little spirits, I feel like I'm gonna have me some chips. I just want to share that with you guys. I'm trying to convince y'all to come up to the dark side, while also trying to convince y'all to work out. So it's the Gemini and me. One Gemini, the other Gemini, and they always just fighting it out. But thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys next time. Until then.
You're the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, you're the best thing. Hold on.